friends, welcome to Cookgram of Samayal. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to make delicious Tanjore fish curry. So let's get started. The ingredients are fish, mustard seeds, fenugreek, garlic, ginger, curry leaves, red chili, green chili, onion, tomato, chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, tamarind, 2 tablespoons oil and salt to taste. So let's start cooking. Place a pan, add gingerly oil, to that add mustard seeds and wait for it to crackle. To that add red chilies, half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, chopped garlic and chopped ginger. Mix it well and add 1 green chili and curry leaves. Wait for it to turn golden brown. Once it is brown, now we can add onion and saute it well. Once the onion is golden brown, now we'll add tomatoes. And we'll cook it well until it turns mushy. Now our onion and tomatoes have been cooked well. Now we'll add all the spices. 3 teaspoons of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, and half teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix it well and cook it till the raw smells get evaporated. Now let's add tamarind juice and water and leave it to boil for 10 minutes. And once it is boiled, now we'll add salt to taste. Now we'll add our marinated fish. And for this marination, I have just added red chili powder, turmeric and a little bit of salt and leave it for at least 10 minutes. Don't overcook the fish. Just cook the fish for 5 minutes and switch off the flame and leave it aside for 10 minutes. Don't stir it too much wherein the fish will break. To this now we'll add the final step of coriander. And that's all. Our yummy fish gravy is ready. Do try at your home and do comment us below. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Till then, see you. Bye-bye. Stay home and stay safe.